So here we are, another YouTube video. Whoa, in the middle of a woods, forest. What is it? Forest? Yeah, it's like a little off-road track. I don't know if you're allowed to be down here or not, but it's public, so why not? We've managed to get the little beast down here. With my skill driving, of course. And when we're going to have to set up camp to have some food. And I'll show you the equipment again. We've got a few more bits today. We're all geared up now. Look at this little camping table, look. £12 B&M. Perfect. That's all right, that is, for 12 quid. Isn't it? I reckon. £12. We've got a map as well from B&M. Again, that was £12. So we've got a little map to go down as well. This is my car blind that I've just finished. I've made this. I just got one more to make for the front. I've made the big windscreen one, but that literally goes on like so. Perfect little car camper setup this is now. All the tools. Look at that. Perfect. I made that. It's made out of dodo rag and faux leather. And then I've got like a little grommet tool and just like pushed some little sticker things through that hold it to the window. Right, finally did get the camping pan set from B&M again, £12. I mean, their prices are ranging like between 15, 20 quid. It's all good camping stuff, I think. Not bad prices at all. That's all you need really, just have a nice day out, a nice time and get a bit of sunshine and enjoy the wilderness. And I better help Dave get on setting up really. Look at this, look. Got a little bag. Look, this is nasty. Oh look, it all goes together, the little camping pot set, pan set. Lid, look, it all goes together really nice. So we've got a lid. Another lid. A little pot. A bigger pot. And another one. Oh, and they've got handles, look. Oh wow, look at that. That one. The lid.
What's that? Is that a bag or not?
And then, yeah, it's got its own little bag. Oh, that's alright, that is. Look at that. And another little one. Again, no handles. 1, 2. And a little frying pan. And then a quarter. Really good frying pan. Good stuff. A weapon. £2.50, weren't they?
Yeah, I don't know how.
So that's got a tin opener, a fork, a knife, and a tin opener, and the metal as well. B&M again, £2.50. Bargain. Little camping cups with carabiners. They were only £3 each. Bargain. What we got today, sweet. So butternut salad again, butterhead salad even.
Yeah, that's right. Where's the coffee? Where's the tea and
grass-fed, thin cut beefsteaks in that cupboard beside you. Pork belly slices. Yum, yum, yum. I'm looking forward to them. And then just some burger buns. We've got some burgers as well. What are burgers? burgers are in there. Tommy tomatoes, some potatoes, guacamole, what else? And some different spices. Right, let's make this cup of tea. Kettles are boiling. Already.
You can't, woman.
Just go in there with a bit of caramelised, what say it is? Caramelised onion cheese from B&M.
Caramelised onion. Cheddar with caramelised onions.
B&M.
There we go.
That's quite tasty.
Yes,
Got that.
8 double stacked beef burgers. They're just cheapy cheeses.
Middle.
Oh, what is she doing? Daisy's helping herself with a double stack.
Another treat. Yeah.
It's onion, isn't it?
Yeah, it's lovely. It's really nice. It's really, really nice.
Yeah.
Chef Dave.
Going to be on the TV. Outdoor cooking with Dave.
He's even got the chef apron going on.
I don't want the fat not right in the jeans.
Right. We can be a bit better. So nice. The whole experience is flooding it. Makes so much change. I don't know why it always seems to taste so much better than anything. Like if you cook that on all the own, it seems to taste so much better.
Oh no. Right, do you want them cutting?
Nah, don't worry about that. Just a bit of relish, that sort of stuff. This is caramelised red onion relish. Got that from B&M. Oh, no, I didn't. It was Lidl's. That comes from Lidl. Yum. butterhead salad. Yum. No, I can't. Oh well. I think we're gracefully done.